All right, we're back, and what I've done is I have pleated the back panel onto the face fabric, and in this instance it is 3 pleats, folded and then folded out. Since I didn't show you that, I'm going to have to do another video and show you how to pleat it on. And I also realized at this point that when I have been saying serge the edges, I'm not talking about cutting the fabric. I'm just talking about abutting the raw edge against the knife, not through the knife, so that you're just overcasting these, not cutting them in any way. We're not sewing with the serger, we're just overcasting edges to make things a little easier to deal with. We don't want to change the shape and the size of this thing. So this is already pleated on. And I had some excess up here, about 1.5 inches or so, because remember, it was just a straight piece of fabric and we have a curved edge. So we left the straight piece, I stay stitched it on, cut off the excess, and then serged the edge just to make it clean. We're ready now to sew this back panel to the dress so it actually becomes a robe. So we're going to sew these 2 side seams right here. We're going to press them out, and I'm going to lay a bone onto them just like we've done here. All right. Now this part, I will come back in a few parts on this video because of this panel. We want to make sure that we aren't catching anything in there. So you're going to have to be very careful about stitching it on. So I'll show you that when we get to it. I'm going to sew the first side, then I'm going to come back and show you what I'm going to do next to stitch the second side.